bladder is a very important part for an accumulator. A good quality bladder can keep the accumulator working well with longer operation time and reduce the risk of system failure and downtime maintenance cost. As a result, it's worth investing in bladders. Unlike O-rings or other rubber seals, which are normally fixed in the position, accumulator bladders are used under high pressure with dynamic operations. Some may even work under harsh environment. As a result, accumulator bladders are more likely to be damaged than the regular O-ring seals of the same material. Here's our suggestions for buying bladders and using them in a longer time. Tip 1. Always buy high-quality bladders. Different manufacturers' bladder products may look alike, but the performance characteristics may be different, especially under demanding applications. Low-quality bladders have shorter lifetime and are more likely to cause bladder failure during operations. See our technical article linked below for the cause of bladder failure. Our bladder repair kits are all 100% made in USA or Europe by manufacturers. Tip 2. Know the bladder's storage time. Bladders should always be stored away from the light, UV rays and ozone source under room temperature. Each bladder has its storage time. A bladder is considered as new within the storage time only if it's stored properly following the instructions. However, not every customer knows this or pays attention to it. This is the summary of bladder storage time for different popular compounds. Please note, the data is for reference only. As we mentioned above, the bladder performance or lifetime is dependent on actual applications. Some resellers sell surplus unused bladders online. Be careful if they are expired even for a brand name. Check the cure date on the label to make sure the bladder is still within storage time to use. An old, expired bladder cannot be sold or used anymore. All our bladder repair kits come with the cure date on the label, and we store the bladders carefully by the rules. We do not sell or use expired bladders on our production. Tip 3. Buy the right size. Some manufacturers make custom size bladders, which are close to the standard ones. Or there are some metric size bladders similar to standard US sizes. Make sure you are buying the right size by checking dimensions to work properly and safely. Buy bladders from us to keep your accumulator safe with no hassle, reduce the downtime risk and maintenance cost, and keep your system working smoothly.